This is a mosaic I just finished, and this is a plant table. So I'll move the plant and talk to you about the mosaic. This, it's not quite finished. The mosaic is finished, but it's not yet attached to the table. And what it is, these mosaics, by the way, can be wall hangings or a plant surface, so it's up to the owner of it. And this is a dream. This is a mosaic of a dream. With the mosaic, what I chose the colors of my living room, and I did the warm colors for the birds and then contrasted it with the background color. And then the ladder was a main element, so I made that one of the biggest contrasts. And something I did here that was unique was I made the negative space I made it an element. So it's a little bigger grout line here. And then I put a border around it and then did a fill.